Children, today we will learn how can you give animation effects to your objects or to your clip arts. So today we are creating city scene. So when you enter in PowerPoint, you have this default layout. To change it, go to Home, Slide Layout and select Blank Layout. Go to the Design option. We are selecting this background. Now we want some pictures, so we are going to the Insert option and Pictures. We have these two options. If you have pictures on your device, then you will select this one, and if you want to search online, then we have to select this one. I am selecting this one because I will search the clip arts online. Now I am writing the category building. If I am giving only the building, then it will display the pictures with the background. And if I am giving building clip art, then it will display the objects or picture without the background, like this. Now we will increase the size of this picture and spread it on the slide, like this. Now we are going to draw a road. Insert, Shape, because this picture has already selected this shape, so we have to press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Again Ctrl V to paste it again. Now we are inserting some pictures of car. So we will write here car clip art, because we don't want backgrounds with the car. So first I am selecting this one. One picture will move from left to right and this will move from right to left. Now we are going to insert, and one more shape we will draw for sun. Fill it with gradient. Now it's time to animate your objects. First we are animating this object, so put it on the target destination. Select the object and go to the animation effects, select fly in. Effects option, from left to right, from left. Then it will move like this. Now you will increase the duration, it will decrease the speed of the object. And select on click. Now it will move like this. Now we will animate this object, so put it to the target destination. Fly in from right. To decrease the speed of the object, increase the duration. And now we will select with previous. So it will also continue with the previous effect. Now we are animating this object. Fade, it is okay. and with previous. Okay. Now we see the effect. Sorry. We are selecting this one. We have not selected its animation effect. So now we are giving its animation effect. First we have to select the object and we are selecting this one, fade, with previous. Now we see the effect. By this way, children, you can animate your objects in a PowerPoint presentation. Thank you.